I've got a surprise for you, KG. Because I miss you, okay? Because I miss you, I'm going to say a few nursery rhymes with you, okay? Let's begin. What shall we begin with? Shall we begin with Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for little KGs who live down the lane. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. This little finger on my right. Do you remember all these nursery rhymes we used to do in the morning in assembly? When I used to stand and I'm holding the microphone for you, and you used to say to me, Miss, do this nursery rhyme, say this one. Think of some nursery rhymes you want. How about Twinkle, Twinkle? Let's begin. Get your hands ready. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond. Do your diamonds. Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yusuf Abdul Hai, are you saying the nursery rhymes with me? Are you? Jawad, come on, stand up. I'm going to say another one now. Which one do you like? Because we're doing hygiene in science, let's say this one. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. I hold them up high, so clean and bright. I clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. Let's begin with Incy Wincy Spider climbing up the spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed the spout again. How about this one? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Now, I've got a very nice one. It's for the girls. If you've got a doll, get your doll and let's say this rhyme together. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called up the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his hat and his bag, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-a-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head, and he told Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning for the bill, bill, bill. Listen to this nursery rhyme. It's about somebody who's got a boat and they're rowing it down the stream, the water stream, okay, in the river. Listen. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! Why did we scream? We saw the crocodile. Now, KG, if you've got a teddy bear or if you've got a little monkey, a toy, or a little cat or a kitten or a rabbit or a frog, anything. Get it and hold it in your hand and listen to this nursery rhyme. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Go on. Teddy bear, climb up the stairs. Teddy bear, come back down. Teddy bear, touch your feet. Teddy bear, do not eat. Teddy bear, switch off the light. Teddy bear, say good night. Good night. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. All the children laughed and played, laughed and played, laughed and played. All the children laughed and played to see a lamb at school. They were all laughing because the lamb followed Mary to school. Listen to this one carefully, okay? Ring-a-ring-a roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Sit down. Stay down now. Listen. Fishes in the water, fishes in the sea. We all jump up. 1, 2, 3. You jump up when I say 3, okay? Let's say it again. Ring-a-ring-a roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Fishes in the water, fishes in the sea. We all jump up. 1, 2, 3 is up. Listen to this one. It's a rhyme about numbers. Listen carefully. If you've got a rabbit or if you've got a butterfly or monkey, sit them down, and an elephant, and let's say this rhyme with them, okay? Rabbit, rabbit, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Butterflies, butterflies, 4, 5, 6. Tell me, where do you fly like this? Make like the butterfly, how it flies. Then, monkeys, monkeys, 7, 8, 9. Can you teach me how to climb? Because monkeys climb. When you have counted up to 10, elephant says, start again, and you count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, because elephant tells you to count.